Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the lighting effects on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. In Personalization settings, select Dynamic Lighting. In Dynamic Lighting settings, go to Effects. You can choose between a solid color, breathing, rainbow, wave, wheel, and gradient. For each of these, you can adjust the effect speed and some other options, as well as which colors to use. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.